With just 76,000 subscribers, it's quietly making over $2,000 a month, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video. And when you look at their content, it almost feels too simple. So why is it working while others keep getting ignored? The answer is a simple AI prompt system, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, copy the video title prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It doesn't just give you random ideas, it instantly generates viral video concepts based on your topic. Ideas that are already shaped around what actually performs on YouTube, meaning you're not guessing anymore, you're starting with proven angles. So instead of wasting hours trying to figure out what to make you, then copy your chosen title and move to Claude AI, paste it there, and it will generate a full professional script for you. Not just basic writing, but a structured script with hook, pacing, and retention flow built in. So every section is designed to keep attention, not lose it. Hook, story flow, and engagement structure. Everything is done for you automatically. So instead of struggling to write scripts, you're now working with a ready-made viral framework in seconds. Then, to generate the voiceover, move to 11 Labs. Paste your full script, there select a professional social narrator voice and generate it. In seconds, you'll have a clean, natural-sounding voiceover ready for your video. No recording, no mic, no overthinking. After that, copy your visual generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT along with your full script. It will automatically break your script into matching scenes and generate 5 strong visuals for you. Then just type next, and it continues giving you the next 5 visuals. So step by step, you're turning one script into a complete visual storyboard without doing anything manually and without breaking the creative flow. Next, copy each scene prompt one by one and paste them into Google Labs to generate your visuals. Repeat this process until all your scenes are created. Once you have all the images ready, move to CapCut. Import your voiceover and all your visuals and arrange them in order. Then sync everything properly, matching visuals with each line of your script so the video flows naturally and keeps attention. And finally, export your video. At this point, you don't just have random content, you've built a complete structured viral style video using AI at every step.
Marcus and David grew up 3 streets apart. Same school, same neighborhood, same $14 an hour jobs when they were 22. Their parents knew each other. They even complained about money together at the same lunch table for 3 years. By the